We'll see certain examples for the center of mass. Okay, like how the motion of center of mass happens. See, first one is explosion of a bomb. See here, if you look at the graph, so what's happening? So the bomb is moving in a parabolic path, and then due to internal forces, the explosion happens, correct? So the outer layer of the bomb explodes, whereas here, important point is, if you see the dotted line, that is the motion of the center of mass. Okay, so even though there is explosion, even though all the particles move in different directions with different velocities, the center of mass will always follow the same path. Okay, see, the same example we can also give for a rocket which explodes, a cracker. Okay, so you fire the rocket, it goes up, it explodes, correct? See here, important thing is all the particles will explode in different directions, whereas the center of mass will follow the same trajectory. Okay, so this is one. Another example is, see, radioactive decay. This is one example what we can give. Like uranium decomposes into two parts. One is thorium and one is an alpha particle. Alpha particle is helium nucleus. So here the helium nucleus is very light compared to that of thorium. Okay, so both of them will move in different directions. So here what is happening is the center of mass will be at rest itself. It will not change because one of them is moving in one direction, another one is moving in another direction, correct? One more example what we can get is binary star system. Okay, see, binary star system is two stars, they have one common center and they'll be rotating. Okay, I mean basically they're revolving around that particular point. So we call that as barycenter. So every binary star system has a barycenter. See, I'm not talking just about binary star system. It's even true for Earth and Moon, Earth and Sun also. Okay, so both of them will be revolving around one common point. Okay, so as the stars keep on moving, that particular center is the center of mass. The center of mass moves in a straight line. It doesn't move, that doesn't rotate. Okay, as you can see, this is how it moves. See, the stars are moving, the stars are revolving around that center, and the center of mass is moving. See, the same thing happens even for Earth-Moon system also. Between Earth and Moon, there is one common center of mass where both Earth and Moon, both of them will revolve. Okay, so as both of them are revolving, the center of mass revolves around the sun. Okay, so that's how the Earth also revolves around the sun. So all these things are motion of center of mass. See, last video you guys saw that how momentum is conserved when no external forces acting on it, and you also saw how velocity of the center of mass is the whole thing why a body moves, correct? So these are certain examples for center of mass. You can come up with your own example, and you can search for a lot of other examples for the motion of center of mass.